Barnyard Daycare.
It's a sunshiny day down at Barnyard Daycare. Saddle up and help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed the baby animals.
Hey there! We're on our way to feed Baby Pig. He needs to chow down on a pink popping pomegranate so he can pop some bubbles.
Don't feel bad, Baby Pig. You'll pop a bubble soon. I just know it.
You just need some pink popping pomegranate. It'll give you the energy you need to pop every bubble you see. Steaming silos, the poppin' pomegranate has lost its pink color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig need your help to find the popping pomegranate's missing pink color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color pink? No, that's blue. We'll need to try a new color. What about this one? Is this the color pink? No, looks like we picked green. Let's try one more time. Shimmering sunflowers. That's it. You found the popping pomegranate's missing pink color.
Now that you've had some pink popping pomegranate, you can pop any bubble you see.
It's time to feed our friend Baby Pony.
She needs to eat some yellow kicking corn cobs to help her kick. Shh! She's concentrating on her kick.
It's okay, Baby Pony. That was a really good try.
But maybe a bite of yellow kicking corn cobs would help you hit that ball! Scampering scarecrows! The kicking corn cobs have lost their yellow color!
We've got to find the kicking corn cob's missing yellow color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color yellow? No, that's red. How about we try a new color? What about this one? Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. Let's try a new color. What about this one? Yippee! You did it! You found the kicking corn cob's missing yellow color.
Now that she's had a yellow kicking corn cob, Baby Pony can finally hit that ball.
Time to feed Baby Goat. Come with us. She needs to eat some purple power plums so she'll have the strength to build a fort from her heavy hay bales.
Wait a second. Where's Baby Goat? Aw, these hay bales are a little too heavy to build a fort from, huh?
It sounds like you need some purple power plums to help you push those hay bales into place. Oh, buzzing bumblebees! The power plums have lost their purple color.
Looks like we need to help our barnyard buddies. Let's try to find the missing purple color. Is this the color purple? No, that's not purple. That's orange. How about this color? Did we find purple? No, that's brown. But what about this color? Is this purple? Woohoo! That's the one! You found the power plum's missing purple color.
Now that you've had some purple power plums, you're ready to finish your fort!
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Y'all come back to the barnyard real soon, you hear?
Barnyard Daycare.
Welcome to Barnyard Daycare. Are you ready to help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed all the adorable baby animals?
Howdy, friend! You're just in time to help us feed Baby Pig.
He needs to eat his groovy green grapes so he can find his groove and dance, dance, dance.
Oh, poor Baby Pig. Are you okay?
You're having trouble dancing, huh? Well, not to worry. You just need some groovy green grapes to help you find the rhythm. Oh, quick, golly gosh! The groovy grapes have lost their green color.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing green color? Great. Let's try this color. Did we turn the grapes green? No, that's orange. We should pick another color. What about this color? Is this the color green? That's the color brown, but maybe it's this color? Great work, gang! You got it! You found the groovy grapes green color.
You're finally feeling the groove, aren't you, Baby Pig? We're moseying on over to feed Baby Goat.
She needs her yippee yellow yucca fries so she'll feel brave enough to go down a big slide.
Look at this little cutie. Are you ready to go down the slide, Baby Goat?
Oh, poor little goat. We know you're nervous. That's why we brought you some yippee yellow yucca fries.
One little bite, and you'll be ready to zip down that slide, yelling, "Yippee!" Yikes! The Yippee Yucca fries have lost their yellow color!
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Yippee Yucca Fries' missing yellow color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. Let's try another color. Did we turn the yucca yellow? We didn't. That's pink. We'll have to try another color. What about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the Yippee Yucca Fries' missing yellow color.
Now Baby Goat can finally give that big slide a try.
Come on, let's go feed Baby Pony. We're bringing her a bouncy blue blueberry bagel so she can bounce a basketball just like a pro. Whoa, silly pony. That's not how you bounce a basketball. Oh, do you need some help?
Yay! Well then, it's a good thing we brought you a bouncy blue blueberry bagel!
Oh, leaping lassos! The bouncy blueberry bagel has lost its blue color.
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing blue color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color blue? No, that's purple. Let's try another color. What about this color? Is this the color blue? No, that's red. But maybe we can try this color. Bingo was his name, oh, that's blue. You found the bouncy blueberry bagel's blue color.
that she's had a bouncy blue blueberry bagel, Baby Pony's gonna be able to bounce that basketball like a pro.
Wowie! Great work finding all those missing colors. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
Time to feed the barnyard babies. Let's help Mia and Milo get all the baby farm animals the tasty treats they love to eat.
Well, hey there! We were just about to feed our barnyard buddy, Baby Goat.
Did you know Baby Goat is afraid of heights? It's true. That's why we're bringing her some brave brown biscuits to help her overcome her fears.
Well, what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Baby Goat? Oh, Baby Goat, where are you?
Oh no, Baby Goat! Are you stuck in that tree, sweetie?
And you're so afraid of heights. Don't worry, Baby Goat. We've got just the thing to help. Brave brown biscuits. Well, bless my barn. The biscuit's brown color is gone.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the Brave Biscuit's brown color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color brown? No, that's blue. Let's try another one. What about this color? Is this brown? I don't think so. That's green. We need to pick again. What about this color? Hop in hay bales. That's brown. You found the Brave Biscuit's brown color.
Now Baby Goat has the courage she needs to climb down from that tree. You did it, Baby Goat! Who's the brave little goat? You are! Time to feed Baby Pig his purple power plum so he can swing super high on the swing.
Hey, Baby Pig, do you need a push?
It's okay if you need help, Baby Pig.
Don't cry, Baby Pig. We've got just the thing to help. Purple power plums.
They'll give you the power you need to pump your legs and move that swing.
Over in honeybees, the plums lost their purple color.
We can fix that, but we'll need help.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing purple color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color purple? No, that's green. Here's another color. Is this purple? No, that's the color red. We need to pick again. What about this color? Pow! You picked it! You found the Power Plum's purple color.
You're doing it, Baby Pig! You're pumping those legs like a pro!
Baby Pony needs her graceful green beans to help her be the best at balancing.
Don't get discouraged, Baby Pony. You just need to try again.
That was a really good try, Baby Pony, but it still seems like you need some help.
Which is why we brought you some graceful green beans.
Great golly gosh! These beans aren't green!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony re-greenify those beans. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's not green. That's red. We'll need to try again. What about this color? Is this green? that's not green, that's blue. It's true. But what about this color? That's it! You got it! You found the graceful green bean's missing green color.
Yay, baby pony! What a big, brave girl you are!
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
Time to feed the barnyard babies. Let's help Mia and Milo get all the baby farm animals the food they need.
Hey, you! We're just about to go feed baby goat.
She needs to eat her goofy green guacamole so she can make us laugh and laugh. Come with us!
Oh, baby goat. Are you already being a little silly?
Ready for your goofy green guacamole? Then you can think of all kinds of ways to make us laugh.
Here you go. Oh, goodness gracious. The green color is gone.
Mia, Milo, and baby goat need your help to find the goofy guacamole's missing green color. Is this the color green? No, that's red. Let's try another one. What about this color? Is this green? Not quite. That's orange. We need to keep searching. What about this color? Genius, gang! You got it. You found the goofy guacamole's green color.
Baby goat is finally ready to be the silliest baby on the farm.
Now it's time to feed baby pig his confident yellow corn cobs so he feels brave enough to ride his skateboard.
Oh, look at this little sweetie. Hi, baby pig.
Are you gonna try riding your skateboard today?
Oh, you're too nervous? No way. You're our big, brave piggy. Yes, you are.
But maybe some confident yellow corn cobs would help.
This is a catastrophe. The corn cobs are colorless.
Not again.
Can you help Mia, Milo, and baby pig find the missing yellow color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's blue. We'll need to pick a different color. Here's another color. Is this yellow? No, that's orange. Let's try again. What about this color? Yippee! You did it! You found the confident corn cob's yellow color.
You can do it, baby pig.
You just have to be confident. Whee! Yay, baby pig!
We've got to get baby pony her prancing purple potato pie so she could dance like a ballerina.
Little baby pony, that was quite a tumble. Are you hurt?
Duh, you're just feeling a little frustrated, aren't you?
Oh, don't worry, baby pony.
We brought you a prancing purple potato pie so you can finally twirl and leap like a real ballerina. How perplexing! Where could the purple possibly be?
We need to help Mia, Milo, and baby pony find the missing purple color. Let's try this color first. Is this the right color? No, that's not purple. That's green. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this purple? No, that's red. But what about this color? Perfect! That's it! You found the Prancing Potato Pie's purple color.
Wow, baby pony! You're gonna be a real ballerina in no time!
Great job feeding all the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
Feeding time! Come along and help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo get the baby farm animals the food they need.
Hi, friend. You are just in time to help us feed baby Pony. She needs her orange super sweet potatoes so she can be as stupendous as a superhero.
Look how high you stacked those blocks, baby pony!
Aw, don't cry, baby pony. We can fix your block tower.
And once you have some orange super sweet potatoes, you'll be able to keep that block tower safe from anything, just like a superhero! Oh, tractors! The super sweet potatoes' orange color is gone!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and baby Pony find the missing orange color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color orange? No, that's not orange. That's blue. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this the color orange? No, that's red. We're looking for orange. What about this color? Hoppin' honeybees, you did it! You found the super sweet potato's missing orange color.
Oh, thanks!
And now that you've had some orange super sweet potatoes, you'll be able to save that tower from anything! It's time to feed our friend, Baby Goat. She needs her yellow climbing corn cobs so she can climb to the tippy top of the tallest mountain.
Hiya, sweet baby. How'd your haystack get stacked like that?
That's way too high for a baby to climb, unless she eats some yellow climbing corn cobs first. Here you go.
Oh, yikes! The climbing corn cobs have lost their yellow color.
Mia, Milo, and baby Goat need your help to find the climbing corn cob's missing yellow color. Is this the color yellow? No, that's not yellow, that's orange. Let's try again. Is this the color yellow? No, that's purple. Maybe we can try this color. Yippee! You got it! You found the climbing corn cob's missing yellow color.
Now that you've had some yellow climbing corn cobs, you're ready to climb to the top of the world! Go, baby, go, go!
We're on our way to feed baby pig. We're gonna give him some red rescue radishes so he'll feel brave enough to save the day.
Oh, sweet piglet, what's wrong, baby pig? Oh no, your kite's stuck in a tree!
Well, then it's a good thing we brought some red rescue radishes so we can rescue that kite lickety-split. Racing rodeos! The rescue radishes
Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing red color? Great! Let's try this color first. Is this the color red? No, that's yellow. We need to pick again. What about this color? Is this red? No, that's blue. Let's try another color. How about this one? Yeehaw! You did it! You found the rescue radish's missing red color.
Now that you've had some red rescue radishes, it's time to free your kite once and for all.
Ready, Baby Pig?
Yay, Baby Pig!
Thanks for all your help feeding the baby animals today. Come back to the barnyard real soon.
Barnyard Daycare.
Welcome to Barnyard Daycare. You're just in time to help Farmer Mia and Farmer Milo feed all our cute baby animal friends.
Hey there! We're on our way to feed the baby animals. Come with us!
Baby Pig needs his soaring red strawberries before he rides his imaginary hoverboard. They'll help him fly super high.
Baby Pig, you little cutie. Are you pretending that you're soaring through the sky on your hoverboard?
Well, then we've got just the snack for you. Some sweet, soaring red strawberries.
Racing rodeos! The soaring red strawberries' red color is missing!
Can you help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pig find the missing red color? Great! Let's try this color. Is this the color red? No, that's green. We need to pick again. How about this one? Is this red? No, that's blue. But what about this color? Is this red? Hop in hay bales. That's it. You found the soaring strawberries' red color.
Now Baby Pig can fly through the sky on his hoverboard, just like he always dreamed.
Let's feed our friend Baby Pony!
We're gonna bring her frozen green farm apples. They're just what she needs to do her tractor-rific ice skating tricks. Hey there, Baby Pony.
It's a little too warm out to go ice skating, huh?
Not to worry, Baby Pony. These frozen green farm apples are so cold, you're gonna feel like you're skating on the North Pole.
Nay!
Oh, rooster feathers! The frozen farm apple's green color has disappeared!
We need to help Mia, Milo, and Baby Pony find the missing green color. Let's try this color first. Is this the color green? No, that's pink. We need to pick again. Does this look like the color green? No, that's purple. Let's try one more time. Is this the color green? Chirp and chickens, you got it. You found the frozen farm apple's green color.
Hooray! Now Baby Pony can finally practice her ice skating. Come on, let's go feed Baby Goat.
She needs her bubbling blue blueberries so she can make bubbles for a bubble party. Oh, Baby Goat, are you having trouble blowing bubbles?
Well, not to worry. We've brought some fresh picked bubbling blue blueberries.
Oh, bless my barn. The bubbling blue blueberries have lost their blue color.
Mia, Milo, and Baby Goat need your help to find the bubbling blueberries' blue color. Is this the color blue? No, that's orange. Let's try again. What about this color? Does this look like blue? No, that's red. How about we try a different color? Is this the color blue? Leaping lassos! You got it! You found the bubbling blueberries' blue color.
Finally! Baby Goat can have her bubble party!
You did it! You fed all the baby animals. Come back again soon.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s Blues Clues and You YouTube channel for new Barnyard Daycare videos every week. And find more of your favorite shows on Nickelodeon.